Thank you for joining us on Data Cloud Now, where we bring you the latest in all things data in business and industry. I'm Ryan Green, and I'm joined by Alex Gutow, Director of Product Marketing at Snowflake. Always a pleasure sitting down, Alex. Great to sit down with you again. You know, last time we spoke was at Snowflake Summit. I have to ask, what's new since then?
Oh my goodness, thank you so much for having me again, Ryan, and thank you all for tuning in. It has been quite the busy set of months since Summit. We had a ton of new announcements coming out today across a few awesome areas, especially for our customers. So one of the areas I'm most excited about is how we're really updating our single platform, single engine. So our engineers have been consistently delivering new performance updates, basically at every release that we've had, continuing to make Snowflake faster and hence for our customers more cost efficient time and time again. So that's been amazing to see. But then a lot of the energy that we've seen here today is around how folks can actually go and build on Snowflake. So we have Streamlit integration for Snowflake, allowing folks to actually build native Streamlit applications directly from Snowsite. We have dynamic tables, allowing y'all to process streaming data much more easily. And then, of course, the big announcement of the day, SnowPark for Python is now GA.
I've heard it a couple of times here.
Yeah.
Christian repeated it twice because he was so excited. You know, what does this mean for the broader community?
Oh, well, I mean, one, SnowPark for Python, we have seen so much excitement around. Python is one of the fastest growing languages, super popular. But for a lot of folks that want to work with it, it can be challenging.
Right.
There can be a lot of security risks around how you can actually incorporate your libraries. That makes it slow to get things into production.
Which isn't good for anybody.
No, it makes it a lot harder to manage, having to troubleshoot. And so the beauty of this is folks can now develop Python directly in Snowflake. They get the power of that single engine. They can run faster. It's simple. It's just going to work. And you can build faster data pipelines. You can do feature engineering, train models, whatever you want to go and build much more easily directly in Snowflake.
I love that term. Simple, and it just works.
It just works.
You know, an incredible next chapter here. As you look towards the future, what excites you most?
So, you know, I think for me, really building on a lot of the announcements that we did starting at Summit and then continuing to build on for Snowday and will continue to build on is really how Snowflake is bringing in this next wave of innovation when it comes to how you build applications. Applications are such a powerful tool to really change how you can work with data, how you communicate with data, how you can spin up new businesses for your company, but they've been hard.
Yeah.
And you know what? The power of Snowflake behind us with how you can actually go and work with more data, bring more folks to collaborate together to deliver extremely powerful data-driven applications is phenomenal. And I'm so excited to see how we continue to push that forward.
You know, the energy is just continuing to build. Thank you so much for sitting down. But for the audience that's watching here today, how can they learn more about Snowflake and also get involved?
Yes, of course. So one of the big things that we have coming up directly following Snowday is we have our Build Summit. So for those builders out there, I really encourage you sign up, tune in. This is going to be a great way to get hands-on with a lot of the announcements that you heard. So for all of you developers, data scientists, data engineers out there, highly encourage you to tune in, check out all of the great content there. And then, of course, check out our community space. Go to snowflake.com, amazing blogs, Medium, tons of content out there. Go and learn, talk to us, we'll get you started. But I'm so excited to see what you all are able to do, especially now that SnowPark is GA. I can't wait to see what y'all build.
Alex, thank you so much for sitting down with me on Data Cloud Now. It's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you for the audience for tuning in. I'm Ryan Green. We hope to see you soon. And listen, conversations are just getting started, and if you missed any content, no problem. Just click on the link below to see all the on-demand content for Snowflake Data Cloud World Tour. I'm Ryan Green. We'll see you soon.